we have x plus y is equal to 2. So if x is 0, then y is equal to 2. And if y is 0, then x is equal to 2. So we're going to graph this line. So 0, 2, and 2, 0. It is a solid line. And then we're going to use a test point of 0, 0. 0 is less than 2 is true. So we're going to shade below. The next equation is y greater than negative 3. So this is a horizontal line at y equals 3, negative 3. And it is a dotted line also. And the test point, we can use 0, 0. 0 is greater than negative 3. That's true. So that means we're going to shade on top. So far, this area is what they have common. But now we have this inequality. So here it produces two different inequalities. So one is x is less than or equal to negative 2. So that's just going to be a vertical line at x equals negative 2. And this is going to be a solid line. Test point 0, 0. So negative 2 is less than or equal to 0. That's a true statement. So we're going to shade to the right. I'm going to use circles as my shading so we can distinguish between all these different lines. So if you notice so far in here is what they have in common, this little triangle. And then the last inequality is x is less than 1. So I'm getting that from here. X is less than 1 and x was greater than negative 2. So this is x is equal to 1. And it is a dotted line. So test point 0, 0. 0 is less than 1. This is true. So that means we're going to shade to the left. And I'm going to make little wavy lines to represent that shading. Okay, so it's kind of hard to see here, but where they have in common is going to be this area here. Okay, so let me put this on decimals. That way it's easier to see. So we have x plus y is less than 2. So it shades that in red. Notice the dotted line. And then we have negative 2 is less than or equal to x less than 1. So notice the shading there. And then the last one is y is greater and -3. And so if we compare this, then you can see that this is a lot darker in this area because it has all 3 shadings. So my solution is this area right here, which is what I have in here.